Hello guys, what's up? How you doing? Okay guys, do you know that single mothers are the best? Yes, single mothers are the best. Do you know why I say so? Because single mothers, they have learned a lot. Like some people now they talk say she don't want pikin, so because of say she don't want pikin, she no be wife material again. No, you don't know wetin make that former relationship crash. You don't know why she and that guy they no dey together. You understand? Now one thing or the other must lead to friends separation. You understand? So you don't know wetin make whether maybe the parents of that girl say no, say you cannot, say she cannot be able to marry the guy, or the parents of the guy say they cannot be able to marry the girl, or maybe the relationship maybe in a quarrel may lead them. So at the end, or maybe it's not in husband, because some people they marry another person's husband. Yes. Some people they marry another person's husband, and if you marry another person's husband, that marriage no will ever last. So some people now, if them born pikin, you go see somebody outside, that person will laugh them. You when they laugh this person as a single mother, are you better than her? You are not better than her. You understand? Because of say single mothers, they don't learn a lot. Even say that person when you want marry never born before, or maybe the person as a virgin, she must make mistake because of say she never learn. But you see single mothers, they don't learn a lot. They don't get disappointed. A lot of things. How many am I going to mention? So single mothers are the best. I will advise you as a guy, if you want to marry, go and look for single mother. Whether the person don't born before, now one in born, a man or a woman, go and look for somebody who don't already get experience of marriage, so that your marriage could last. Go and marry someone where we say you don't get a lot of experience, somebody will get something doing, because a single mother don't really learn, and that learning go on tell her say anytime when you grab a man when you go marry, she must be humble. So that mistake when she do before, she no go want like to do after this one, so that she could fit stay for marriage. So that is why I said that single mothers are the best. You as a single lady or a single mother, you when they cry say say you never marry, say maybe man no they see you. Just keep on praying and keep on doing the right thing. Keep yourself clean. Be okay, you understand? They go church, no offend anybody. So that's what it be. Okay, see you on the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care. I will see you on the next video, okay? Pregnancy is good though. It only fits a lot some people. Pregnancy fits some people, abi? But not everybody they fit. You get some people who say their belly they long, get some people say their belly they down. But when you want to deliver, your belly will go down.